This is built to replace SOC analysts. You're not waiting for an analyst to go in there and log in the environment and put in an access control list or disable an account or shred a web session or whatever they need to do. It just does it for you, right? And that's the key for everything we're going to do with IntelliThreat is being able to react very, very quickly. Um, Attackers, again, as you'll see, again, we talk about the shrinking of dwell time, the shrinking of the uh, kill chain, right? So attackers are trying to move very, very quickly, and they can do that because the technical aspect of attacking now has been replaced by adversarial AI. And so we need to respond with just as much speed and just as much force, right? So responses at machine speed is very, very important. Some other things I'll talk about. This is not built for SOC analysts, right? This is built to replace SOC analysts. Now I run a SOC and I love every one of my SOC guys to death. They're all great, but not one of them wants to be a level one SOC analyst, not one. It's a boring job. Anybody who's ever been a level one SOC analyst or trained a level one SOC analyst or those sorts of things, staring at panes of glass all day, trying to figure out what's good, trying to figure out what to investigate, and other alerts come in. It is a never-ending, thankless job that will burn you out probably faster than just about anything, maybe even a level one help desk IT guy.